Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my first completed verse mapping spread in my James Method verse mapping journal. So if you have not seen the video where I set up my faith planner, I will link that somewhere up here in the top corner, somewhere throughout this video, so you can, when you're finished watching this one or before you watch this one, you can actually head over and see how I set all this up. Here's my list of some ideas of verses to map. And so the first one I've done is Philippians 4:8. So my goal is to try to do one of these videos a week. So the plan is that I will verse map on my own. I like to do this like sitting in bed at night, at the end of my day, and just reflect and learn and read my Bible. So I put my laptop on my bed, I get my Bible, all my highlighters, markers, pens, all that fun stuff, and I just sit and I use various sources online to do my mapping, to get my definitions and whatnot. Like I said in the other video, I actually joined the Happy Mapper verse mapping course that the James Method offers on their website. I'm pretty sure there is an affiliate link down in the description below if you want to do that verse mapping course or Happy Mapper course. There's a lot of useful information on how to get started and what resources to use. So anyways, I figured I would do all my verse mapping and then film a video once a week of me decorating a spread in my verse map journal. If I, and this is probably going to happen, I'm going to have more than one verse already mapped by the time I do my videos. So the plan is to kind of just go over the things that I found in different scripture and then decorate, or at least, like I said, if there's more than one, because I'm only going to do one video a week, I can't do a video every day, but I'll just kind of go over and show you guys, like do a flip through of after the pen or whatever. So this is going to be a little bit different in the sense that it's going to be an after the pen first and decorate later. So a little bit different than what I'm used to, but it's going to be fun. So I'm going to use this really pretty like plaid washi that matches my wildflowers stickers. And we are just going to put a couple florals in places where there's room. There's not a whole lot of room, as you can see. You know, the verse mapping journal is a place to just write and write and write. And once you get started, like you just kind of, I don't know, you just write. So we're going to use wildflowers, and we're going to just kind of put some florals random places throughout the spread. And I think it would be really cute to kind of have some flowers like on top of my circles. So the James Method verse mapping is basically you write your scripture verse here. So we have Philippians 4:8, finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on those things. So I'm trying to do scripture right now, verse mapping on changing my mindset. And like I said, I've found my joy again. And so I kind of want to focus my Bible study on those things, like changing my mindset, focusing on things that are of God and not of the world. So this is the perfect scripture. So I highlighted the words that I wanted to do like a more in-depth definition study on. So we have true, honest, just, pure, lovely, and virtue. Then I also chose good report, praise, and think. So down here you can do your context of the book. I chose the English Standard Version. This is the King James Version, which is like my main go-to version. And then I just wrote the translation here. These are some cross references, my view of God, view of man or self, and then my reflection and application and my prayer. So anyways, let's go ahead and decorate now. So I kind of want to take, and I'm going to try my best. I need one of those circle, like those circle punch cutter things. I should try to find one of those. All right, and then we're going to take these flowers. Oh, I didn't cut it all the way through. This is kind of crooked, but it's okay. It's my journal. Look how cute that is. I love it. All right, so we have those there. And then I think I'm gonna do some kind of sitting down here. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's just always so cute whenever you add florals to any kind of spread. Florals are life, are they not? So we're gonna take a little bit of this washi and just kind of put some there. I think I want to trim this off here. I'm just kind of winging it right now, y'all, because like I said, all of this is new to me, so I'm learning how to do this with you guys. So I think I want to take some more flowers, or do I want to do this? I'm trying not to cover up too much of my writing. And if you use the clear stickers, it's easy, like I'm doing, to lay your sticker sheet over top of what you're trying to trace. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. All right, so let's do one more around here. Let's trace this. Now, one thing I'm not going to do as of right now is, before, when I was attempting the James method, verse mapping, and yeah, I wasn't prepared to start doing that, so I did a very terrible job at it. I actually had stickers that I sold in my shop that fit in these sections. I kind of cut that a little bit crooked, but it's okay. But yeah, so I'm not going to do that. I really don't. I don't want to. That's just a lot. I want to enjoy and kind of do. I want to enjoy my verse mapping and do things the way that I just mentioned that I'm going to do them here. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Is to not actually have my stickers that go with or fit in the boxes. I just don't want to do that. So let's take a little bit more of this washi and put right down here on this empty spot. Right there. And then we'll cut it off here. And then I might actually take a little bit and put right down here. Okay. And then let's take some more wildflowers. I think I'm going to use some bigger ones now. And I can honestly cover up my writing because these are clear stickers, so I will be able to see what I actually wrote through the sticker. So it's not that big of a deal. I'm just going to put a couple down here. And then cut those off. I think I pulled 2 pages. I did. So we'll cut the excess off here. And then where else can I put some more florals? I really want to put some more somewhere, but I don't know where I can make that happen unless I put them up here. I think I will. I think I'm just going to cut the bottom with my scissors instead of using my X-Acto. And it's going to go right over top of my words. And look how cute it is, y'all. I love it already. Okay, so to be honest, I think that's all I'm going to add to this page. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here if you want to screenshot this or just kind of pause the video and read over everything that I've written. You can even see my personal prayer, my reflection and application. I've failed miserably, took my eyes, mind, and heart off the greatness of God. This is my application. Continue daily scripture reading and study. Watch how God changes my heart and mind. And then you can see my prayer down here. So if you guys want to use this to kind of go off of and do verse mapping for yourself, you are more than welcome to. Let me know in the comments below some of your favorite verses that you've learned a lot from in your verse mapping. We can share ideas and give each other ideas on verses to map out as we go through verse mapping together. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love y'all. Bye, guys.